Enter positive 10 ampere current as the calibration value on the calibrator. Connect the test leads into the 10 ampere connector like this. Press Shift and DCV keys to enable DCI function. Input negative 10 ampere current to the multimeter. Set DM's range to 10 ampere. When the calibration passed, calibration step succeed display. Apply the input current to negative 3 ampere. When do 3 ampere DC current gain calibration, please connect the test leads into the 3 ampere connector on the front of the multimeter. Input positive 3 ampere current to calibrate the multimeter's DC current. Enter positive 1 ampere current on the calibrator. Set DMM range to 1 ampere. Apply negative 1 ampere current to calibrate the multimeter's 1 ampere DC current. DC current 300 milliampere calibration. DC current 100 milliampere calibration. $50 milliampere DCI calibration. $10 milliampere DCI calibration. Do 500 microampere DC current calibration.